Well, hello. I have been waiting for this. Many Padme Amidala fans have been waiting for this, and thankfully I was able to get in on the pre-order, and even though it was very pricey, I decided to splurge and get this because, I mean, we rarely get Padme merch. Official Padme merch is, I could probably count on one hand how much official Padme merch I have. So, without further ado, let's take a look. This was pre-ordered from Cody's Corner. Thank you for supporting our small business. Oh, I can already see it. Packaged very well, I might say. And here it is. So this is the official Padme Amidala, it's called Star Wars Women of Star Wars Cosplay mini backpack. So let's take it out of the plastic and see what's inside. To be honest, this is not my favorite Amidala look. As a queen, I think the only one I absolutely love of her royal looks is the end one at the end of season one, of episode 1. But again, so rarely get merch for her that I couldn't resist. So here is the bag. It's got really fun detailing, basically mimicking the sleeve work on her gown. Here's a close-up shot of front. Okay. And side view there. What I was really impressed with, at least in the images that they had up, was the lining fabric. So let's see if they actually stuck to what they had said they were gonna do. And it looks like they did. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, hopefully the camera can pick it up okay. I almost feel like I never want to use this bag. It's so pretty, but that's obviously not a good idea. Spend $90 on a handbag, you want to use it. Here we go. Okay, so let's see if the camera, oh no, kind of, it's got Padme in it. Let's see if we can move this closer. There we go. Ugh, I'm gonna have to flip this. But it's got different Padme battle scenes. The Amidala Geonosis, even says Padme in there. It's a nice touch. Pocket is lined with the same fabric. It's got a nice little burgundy colored zipper, which is kind of weird that they didn't put red, but whatever. And then it comes with the official tag. Oh, come on now. There we go. So you can see what it says there. And the rest is pretty, straightforward. I'm not gonna lie, now I kind of want to make an Amidala bound, just